Unlock the power of performance and design with the Nemo laptop. Welcome back to the Inspect Aspect. Today we're diving into the 5 things you didn't know about the Nemo laptop that might just change your perspective on choosing a student laptop. First up is its impressive performance. The Nemo laptop runs on the 12th Gen Intel Alder Lake N100 processor. With 4 cores and speeds up to 3.4 GHz, it ensures smooth multitasking, whether you're working on assignments or enjoying a movie. But while performance is solid, don't expect it to run heavy gaming or resource-intensive software without some limitations. Next, let's talk about the display. The 15.6-inch Full HD screen with its 1080p resolution provides vibrant visuals and a good 85% screen-to-body ratio. This ultimately enhances your viewing experience, whether for work or leisure. However, users sensitive to brightness might notice some glare depending on the lighting conditions. The Nemo laptop also shines when it comes to connectivity. With USB 3.0 ports, a full-function Type-C port, a backlit keyboard, and even a fingerprint sensor, it brings both convenience and security into play. While adding these extra features is great, it's worth noting that having multiple ports can sometimes feel a bit cramped. Moving on, rapid charging is a standout feature. The Nemo comes equipped with a 65W PD fast charging adapter compatible with many Type-C devices. This means less time tethered to your charger and more freedom on the go. Just be aware that the fast charge might come with a price if your battery issues arise down the line. Lastly, the peace of mind that comes with a 2-year warranty and round-the-clock customer support can't be overstated. Nemo ensures that your purchase is covered, but always keep in mind that sometimes support response times may vary. So, is the Nemo laptop the right choice for you? It definitely has impressive features that cater to students and casual users alike. But if you require heavyweight performance, you might want to look elsewhere. Remember, balance and honesty are key. If you're interested in the Nemo laptop, check the link in the description for the best prices and deals. Thank you for watching the Inspect Aspect. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more authentic tech reviews.